Young people in the internet age struggle and compromise. In today's digital age, many young employees and recent graduates demonstrate a pronounced resistance to control in their workplaces. This phenomenon reflects the contemporary young generation's different perspectives and aspirations regarding work environments, career choices, and personal development. Many young people express dissatisfaction and resistance when facing traditional working methods and management styles. They desire more autonomy and freedom in their work and are no longer content with passively accepting orders and directions. This resistance stems from their pursuit of self-worth and a desire for personal growth and innovation. However, this struggle also presents numerous challenges. Many young people switch jobs frequently, resulting in short tenures at their positions and sometimes ending up unemployed. Such a situation can be detrimental to their career development and may make it difficult for them to find stable employment. The right or wrong of this phenomenon is subject to debate. Some believe that young people's spirit of resistance is commendable because it reflects their pursuit of freedom and autonomy. However, others argue that this attitude may lead to job instability and excessive anxiety. Nonetheless, most young people choose to compromise for the sake of a stable life and financial security. Some may suppress their rebellious instincts to adapt to the current situation. However, this suppression is not a healthy long-term solution, as these bottled-up feelings can suddenly explode when confronted with external pressures or triggers. Young people face challenges beyond this. Due to the impact of the internet and social media, they are more easily influenced by others' success, which can lead to anxiety and discontent. They often feel anxious about their career progress and achievements, as they see others seemingly achieving success more quickly while they themselves seem to lag behind. This comparison can make young people feel disheartened and helpless. However, this situation also points to the need for more support and guidance for young people. The education system and professional training institutions should help young people cultivate the right mindset toward their careers and learn how to balance reality and ideals. At the same time, companies should provide young employees with more training and development opportunities to help them better adapt to the workplace. Young people also need to learn how to adapt to different management styles and organizational cultures. They should maintain an open mindset at work and actively communicate with colleagues and supervisors to find collaborative solutions. Through this approach, they can gradually build confidence and a sense of control in their work. In the space between struggle and compromise, young people can attempt to find a dynamic balance. Through continuous learning and adaptation, they can better acclimate to work environments and achieve greater growth and accomplishments in their careers. This requires them to remain clear about their goals and values and actively seek development opportunities at work. At the same time, companies can learn valuable lessons from young people. Their desire for innovation and change can inject new energy and perspectives into companies. By listening to young employees' opinions and suggestions, companies can better understand market and customer needs, enabling them to make wiser decisions. Overall, young people in the internet age face new challenges and opportunities. Their struggles and compromises are not necessarily in opposition but require finding a balance to achieve both personal and professional growth. In this process, young people need to maintain an open mind, actively seek support and guidance, and continuously adjust their goals and expectations. In the end, young people, are you ready to face this complex yet exciting professional world?